Tommy Robinson, Toyota Series and Bassmaster Open Pro from Michigan. Well, at the end of 2021 season, a friend of mine asked me, Tommy, what do you do during the off season? I said, man, I spend my time getting ready for the next year and doing maintenance on my boat to keep it running. Well, today I'm here to show you some of the things that I do. I'm going to change my lower unit oil, and the items that I use today, I purchased all of them from Parts View. Okay guys, we're getting ready to change the lower unit oil. It's real simple. On the Yamaha, you need a screwdriver and an Allen wrench and a catch pail. I'm going to loosen the Allen screw here at the screen. It's real important, once you get the screw off, you want to investigate the screw, make sure there's no metal or anything on there. I'm going to set that to the side here. And there's a screw at the top. Once you unscrew the top, your oil should come out. Okay, once we got that, we're going to let it drain. Okay guys, the lower unit has finished draining. I checked the oil to see if it had any water in it. It didn't. I also checked it for metal fragments. I didn't see any. So that lets me know everything's okay in the lower unit. We have our Yamaha multi-pump. We're going to go ahead and refill this unit. It's probably going to take 2 quarts. You always fill from the lower hole, and the way you know when it's full is it runs out of the top hole. Okay guys, it's starting to run out of the top, so I know it's full. I'm going to give it a couple more pumps, then I'm going to screw in the top screw. I'm going to unscrew the bottom of the pump and clean the area up. Now we're going to put the screen back. There you have it guys. I hope these tips help you when you get ready for the upcoming boating season. And remember, all parts and accessories can be found at partsview.com. Thanks for visiting.